everyone, my name is Teacher Ilona. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the highlights of 2023 and everything that has happened within this year. And I'm giving you a little update. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoy. So 2023, a long year it has been, definitely. I had the highs and the lows. I know I haven't posted recently in a while, so I think it's a little shock for you guys to see me, but don't worry, I haven't gone anywhere. I'm still here. Those that comment down below, you'll see that I'll always respond back. Sometimes it might take me a few days. So the reason, let's get into that, why I haven't been posting in a little bit. The reason, to be honest, is I'm a teacher myself at a high school. As I've mentioned in my previous videos, I currently teach business studies for grade 11. And as teachers, we also have a lot of work to do. So with the end of the year coming to a close, there has been a lot of work, a lot of teaching that has to be done in a very short time frame. I mean, trying to get all that teaching done for term 4 before you guys go on your study break and you go write exams. So there was a lot. I'm going to be honest, there was quite a lot. There was a lot of marking and marking and marking. I think any teachers watching this now will understand when I say marking, it is a lot. I teach over 100 students, and with business studies, we have paper 1 and paper 2. So it's that times 2. So it is a lot. I love my job, so I do what I need to do for my job, but unfortunately it did take up a lot of my time, which took up my time from posting YouTube videos. But I must say, you guys didn't stop your support, which I appreciate. From the bottom of my heart, I am so grateful and so happy. I'm not going to spoil it, but the update's coming of when I tell you the highlights and everything that has happened this year on my YouTube channel. So we'll get there soon. I am also a hockey coach, and I have been coaching hockey the whole year. So generally there's a season for hockey. It's only within the first couple months, like term 2, but my girls did very well and we went to do indoor hockey as well. So I was coaching hockey from February all the way until around September, October. So that also was taking my time. So whether I was teaching, if I was not teaching, I was marking, or I was on a bus going to all these tournaments, or I was coaching. So I think you guys can humbly understand that it's been a rough couple months, but in no way am I wanting to stop YouTube, take a break from YouTube. Absolutely not. Once you hear the updates, you will see, and there's enough evidence backing that my videos and my channel is helping students. So definitely not stopping anytime soon. Not today, not tomorrow. I will be posting again regularly from January. I'm looking at around middle Jan when school starts. So let me know. I know a lot of the grade 9s are obviously going to grade 10, so you're having business studies for the first time. Let me know what videos you're looking for me to do. Let me know what videos you'd like me to do, topics that you're struggling with, topics that you're excited about, because they are very exciting topics too. And then grade 10s moving to grade 11, let me know what topics you would like me to add. I know I only have done term 3 at this stage, but I am wanting to build that database and do the first term and the second term, as well as the fourth term too. And then obviously grade 11's going to matric, the big one. Let me know. I know I've got a lot of videos before grade 12, but let me know specifically. And don't worry, I have jotted and noted down any videos you guys have suggested. I've got a huge spreadsheet about it. Maybe I'll put that in my video one day. Let me know if you'd like to see my content spreadsheet. There's billions of tabs there. I got to get myself organized and planned. Anyways, let me not go off too much of topic. So I have added those in, and I will do those videos. Don't feel like your suggestions have fallen away and fell by the wayside, because that's definitely not the case at all. So, as promised, let's go through the highlights. So I'm going to post them here next to me of all the little snippets from my analytics for you guys to see. So first things first, the views. So this year alone, so it takes in 365 days. So we're looking at the 6th of December to about the 5th, 6th of December. So last year up until this year, I have gotten 184,587 views. So that's amazing. Thank you guys. That's really incredible. And I think you can see when crunch time for studying was, you can see that spike for November, most definitely. But that's incredible. Can I tell you guys how amazing that feels? Like, I have little goals and little milestones for myself. And I know looking throughout the year, at some stage, March had the highest views. And then June was in competition and had the highest views. Then September came and it beat those ones. And then November knocked all those months out of the park. So I also have this little challenges for myself. I'm like, ooh, I hope this month will be more, and I hope that month will be more. So thank you so much, guys, for the support. And then just so you can see month by month, I've added another graph here, just so you can see for every month. It's taken from about July to December. We're only a few days into December, so that's why December doesn't look that great at this stage. Also, all the exams are done, so if you're watching my videos, thank you, I appreciate it, but most people are done, so I understand why the views are low. But you can see that November spike, most definitely. Then we're moving on. Let's look at the watch time. So most YouTubers will agree with me that we look at the watch time so much, especially before you become monetized. You can't wait when that mark of that 4,000 hits. And I'll tell you, it takes a lot for a YouTuber to get that 4,000 mark. I think a lot of people think, okay, you can make money off YouTube and it's easy to do. It really isn't. It takes a lot of work and a lot of dedication and consistency. If there's anything I've heard from master YouTubers, like people, Sean Cannell from Think Media, I'll link him down below. I used to watch a lot of his videos to get inspiration. And also I attended one of his workshops. It was online for, I think it was about 7 days. It was a YouTube masterclass. And one of the biggest things that they punted was consistency. And that is the biggest thing I say for YouTube, is you can't be posting bitty here and there. You need to be consistent throughout. So we watch, definitely like a hawk, we watch this watch time. So my watch time for the last 365 days is 18,321.9. Can't forget that 0.9. And I think that's incredible. That's a lot of hours. And again, I'm going to keep saying thank you, so you can take a little countdown of how many thank yous I say in this video, because I'm so grateful. I've always tried to humble myself and be a grateful person. So I'm really, when I see these things, it really makes my heart so happy to see it. And it's all thanks to you guys, and it's all thanks to you guys for supporting my channel, for watching my videos, and for continually sharing videos and telling your friends about the videos. My channel wouldn't be where it is today without you guys. Without further ado, let's move on. Then subscribers. In the last year, the channel has gained 3,678 subscribers, and I think that's amazing as well. In itself, it has hit the 4,000 mark, but bearing in mind this is only taking it within the last year. And I took the analytics this way because I know only since 2023, January 2023, have I been posting regularly and consistently. So if I'm looking at my analytics, I'm going to take this year. But I do know my first video was posted back in 2020. I'm going to link it over here. That was my first video, and it did really well. I think it's got about 30,000 views now, and that video did very, very well. But it's insane to think I've got about 4,000 subscribers now. And of that, 3,600 came from this year alone. So I think you guys can see how the channel's growing and boosting in momentum. And again, it makes my YouTube heart so happy. And then I just want to give praise to one video. This video has gotten the most amount of views of all the videos that I've posted this year. So it's my quality of performance video for grade 12, and it received 20,000 views. So I can definitely see that's a hot topic. It's definitely a topic that I think I need to do questions and answers to, and maybe just do a part 2 where I can explain more in the video. I know this is a difficult topic in business studies, but you can see how amazingly that video has done. Alrighty, then without further ado, I would just like to also let you guys know. So there was a video I posted, I don't know, it must have been February, March. I'm not 100% sure, to be very honest with you. I will link it over here so you can see exactly when it was posted. So there's a part in that video where I tend to ramble on. I mean, I think you guys know sometimes those that know me personally will know that I talk a lot, which I've had to cram down for my videos because I can ramble off, which I think I've done this video already, so good job for that. But in that video, I was talking about the microenvironment, and I was talking about having visions and a mission and a goal. And I used examples to try and help you guys understand from like a personal perspective, also like a YouTuber, what kind of mission and your vision can be. Anyway, in that video, I stated that, you know, I would like my channel to become monetized, and I've got the following goals. So the goal was to have 1,000 subscribers by June. That was the goal. I think at the time I had maybe 800, 700 subscribers, again in early January. So I was hoping to get 1,000 subscribers by June. The second goal was that I want to become monetized by November of 2023. So just to give you an update on that, I was blown away completely. I'm still so amazed on how I set those goals and they got achieved so much sooner than I had expected. So the 1,000 subs I wanted to get by June. I got my 1,000 subs on the 8th of February. Here I posted on my Facebook to just have a little celebratory dance about the fact that I had reached my 1,000. Now remember, I wanted to reach that by June. I really reached it by February. Again, thank you to you guys for that. And then I wanted to become monetized by November of 2023. And by the end of May, on the 29th of May exactly, I got this email, and it made my day, probably made my year, to say that I've been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, which means that I will be monetized and I will make money from the videos that I post on YouTube. So I think that's incredible. I reached both of these goals by the time that I wanted to only reach one of these goals. So from the bottom of my heart, I want to thank you guys so much for the support. I can't wait for 2024 and all the videos I'm going to post then. Obviously now I'm building the database. There's a lot of videos that you guys still watch and that are still needed, but there's still so much more to post and do. So please let me know if there's any videos that you want me to post for 2024, and I will definitely add them to the calendar. Over December, depending on how the holidays go, I would like to maybe post a video or two just as a bit of a catch up. So if you see some videos, you're more than welcome to check them out next year. It's just me trying to do a little catch up. But consistency, definitely 2024, January, I will be posting every single Saturday, and I'll be posting at 6 p.m. as the regular schedule goes. So without further ado, I really wish you guys a happy holiday. I know the schools are closing in a week's time. At least all the exam stress is done. For us teachers, the marking is done. And I wish you guys a happy holiday and a happy new year. I can't wait for 2024, and maybe I'll make this a thing of every year at the end of the year, I'll give a little update on how the channel's doing. And once again, thank you guys. Really thank you. When I started this channel back in 2020, it was to help students. And obviously I wanted to grow and I wanted to do well. But to expect this much growth and this many achievements within a year, I am blown away, and I am forever grateful for every view, for every hour that you guys watch my videos. I know some of them are long, and I really appreciate it. I appreciate every comment. It's awesome to hear how much my videos are helping students out there, and that I'm contributing towards our future and our future leaders and all the students and scholars at school. So please continue liking my videos, continue to comment, and please do share it to friends who you think it may help. But that's all for now, and then I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much, and happy holidays to you guys. Bye for now.